Tired of spending hours scrubbing when dirt builds up? What if I told you there's a simple hack that takes just 10 seconds and leaves surfaces spotless? Welcome back. Today, I'll share a practical cleaning trick that's fast, effective, and can easily fit into your daily routine without extra effort. Definition: a 10-second cleaning hack is a quick, proven method designed to remove visible dirt, grease, or stains from surfaces almost instantly, saving both time and energy. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Take a clean microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with warm water. Step 2. Spray a small amount of multi-purpose cleaner or a mix of equal parts water and white vinegar onto the cloth. Step 3. Fold the cloth in half to create a smooth, absorbent surface. Step 4. Wipe the dirty area in one steady motion. Step 5. Flip to the dry side of the cloth and give it a quick polish. That's it, done in 10 seconds. 5. Tools explained. You'll need 3 things. A microfiber cloth for maximum absorption and streak-free shine. A spray bottle with water and vinegar solution, or a standard multi-purpose cleaner. Warm water to slightly dampen the cloth before applying cleaner. Quick tips. Always use microfiber instead of paper towels. Microfiber traps dust instead of spreading it. For kitchen counters, use vinegar solution. For glass or mirrors, use plain water to avoid streaks. Cost comparison. A reusable microfiber cloth costs around $1 and lasts months. A homemade vinegar solution costs less than 50 cents per bottle, compared to commercial cleaners priced at $3 to $6 each. Over time, you save both money and waste. Workflow. Keep a spray bottle and cloth in easy reach. Each time you notice dirt, follow the spray wipe polish method. Repeat throughout the day to maintain a consistently clean space without long cleaning sessions. Notes: this hack is safe for most hard surfaces like glass, countertops, stainless steel, and tiles. Avoid using vinegar on marble or natural stone, as it may damage the finish. In just 10 seconds, using a microfiber cloth and a simple cleaning spray, you can instantly refresh surfaces, save money, and reduce cleaning stress. Try this hack today and see the difference for yourself. If you want more fast, practical cleaning tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates.